Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the Scrapyard. Um, Not much to go through today. I haven't really done very much. I'm feeling better though. Hey, first off, I want to thank all my subscribers and especially my new subscribers. I've noticed I picked up quite a few in the past little bit. Well, quite a few for me anyway. Um, all right, I've been piddling a little bit. I've been working on the Nova. It's just mocked up and everything's kind of loose. I'd be a little bit further along on it, but hell, I broke the damn front axle 4 times, man. I replaced it with I'll show you, a 3D printed axle, just a straight axle. So it raised the front up a little bit, but I kind of like the way it's sitting now, sitting up a little bit higher in the front. What am I sitting on? There we go. With it sitting up a little higher in the front like that. But oh, it's got to be centered up a little bit better. There we go. But I just been piddling along a little bit. I got the dash done. Um, let's see. But it came out all right. I mean, it's pretty basic, just aluminum dash. Um, I tell you, like I said, I was trying to do a straight out of the box build, box stock build, everything, and I had to use that. And I broke my axle, man. So it's no longer a box stock. I hate these things. I mean, they look sharp as hell. I love the look they give them, but some of them was always a pain in the ass. I got them pretty straight, but there's a couple that's just a little bit crooked on this side. But the big box Chevy builds up all right. I really like those headers too that come in this kit. But like I said, just a little bit of progress on it. Not much, but I've been piddling them on. Hey, never said I never said I was fast. Never said I was good. But that's that one. A little update on that one. Set him back over here, and I got some stash ads. First off, I haven't looked in this box yet. I got this one. Everybody says, well, no big deal. They just issued it down. No, this is 1967 issue from IMC. It's got the plastic phone booth in it. That's why I got it. I didn't pay. Let's see what's in here. I didn't pay much more for this than what the other one being. I think I was like $50 all, all in, shipped and everything. Um, I tell you what, I'm gonna save the actual unboxing for later. This is the first time I looked in here. Let's look at these instructions. Yep. They say they're in clear plastic. There's your phone booth, your little ding-a-ling, and the rest of it's the more or less the Little Red Wagon kit we all know and love, right? I've never built one, but I always thought they were cool as hell. But I'm not sure what I'll do with this, if anything. I just kind of wanted to get the phone booth so I could get some measurements and everything, so I could scratch build one. To be honest, but looks like it'd be a fun kit. But like I said, I got a really good price on it, so I don't think It was on a buy it now, and I think it was like $40, and then all in it was like $50 shipped. But I don't think people realized what it was, and they thought it was the one that just put out. And I got this, got a good deal on this too. It's kind of rough, but it's all there. And by rough, I mean it's got a broken windshield pillar and broke church firewall. Other two broken windshield pillars, but nothing that can't be fixed. Um, whatever kind of paint it's in, that didn't want to come loose. Looks like, but looks like it's all there. I don't have an instruction sheet. You can find them online. But this was another. I saw it pop up and I bought it. And I was watching Buy It Now's newly listed on eBay, and let me check. I don't want to say the wrong amount, but I got into that. But I got a really good deal on it. Let's see. It's $35 all in on that. So I didn't get burnt. I mean, it's got a nice box, if nothing else. I've seen that box go for $20. So hell. But there's that, and that's about all I have, man. Like I said, I really haven't been doing that too much. Been piddling. I need to work on this a little more. Found me some springs for it though. Like a bit of right size. And I still got a hunting fenders I want to use up. Man, I want to use. I got some 44 fenders that I think would be sharp, and a 44 pickup. They kind of streamline and come down to swept. It'd be kind of cool. I was also thinking it'd be kind of cool if I get like a Continental kit to go in the front here. I don't know. But there's that, and it's coming together a little bit at a time. I know I haven't done much. Uh, the Yohan 442 had some old stuff in it, man. Uh, only thing I kept this bottle for nostalgia's sake. That's what I used to use. That was the best cement, hands down. That's what I used all through the '90s, man. It was the good stuff. And tube of this, tube's still good. I was running low on putty anyway, so that worked out. Anyway, that's all I got for tonight. Next time I'll see if I can have a little more done. Let's see, I think that's all I got. Yep. But it's summertime. Been going outside. It gets dark late. I just been doing other things. But we'll get back into it, and I'll see if I can get some content made. Um, and if you've listened this long, really thanks, man. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And I will see you later. Bye.